Yep, it happened. That one load of laundry grew into 9 in the blink of an eye. If you are like most of us, normal human beings, you understand how crazy laundry can be. But we don't have to do it alone. We are not alone. Today, we are tackling the laundry beast head on, side by side. Join me as we dive into the ultimate laundry motivation guide. I'm going to be giving you tips, sharing the tools that I use, and sprinkling a little bit of encouragement to help you conquer your laundry monster. So grab your laundry basket and let's get busy. For those of you who are new here, hi, my name is Rhonda and welcome to Rhonda Be Organized. This is a motivational channel for cleaning, organizing, and everyday life as a stay-at-home mom and entrepreneur. So, I know you're probably wondering, how my laundry got like this? Life, girl. No, I'm just kidding. My oldest brought her little school germs home from school and spread them everywhere. Child, it took me and my husband down, and so the whole house got crazy. I know sometimes it can be so hard to get motivated to clean. I don't know how many times I have closed the door to this guest room because I didn't want to face the laundry monster. But my sister is coming to town with my nephews. We're going to the Strawberry Festival here in Tampa. So we need the guest room. And that leads me to one of the things you can do to give you a little motivation to get cleaning. Invite guests over. It gives you a deadline to get it done because you know you don't want anybody seeing the chaos behind the closed doors. So you're going to clean it up. This is something that I do. I like to invite my friends over for dinner when I want to motivate myself to get my downstairs in order. Some other tips for cleaning or in this case, laundry motivation are: set the mood. Turn on some tunes, a podcast. Join me on my channel so we can clean and organize together. I post every Saturday. Watch a movie. I'm watching Coach Carter in the background. You can also fix a nice foo-foo coffee or a chai latte, whatever it is that you do to set the mood. Take breaks. Don't overwhelm yourself trying to finish it all in one day. It took me 2 days to get this done, and that's okay. It's done. Get help. This is something we as women are terrible at, especially as stay-at-home moms. We feel obligated, almost guilty, if we ask for help to manage the house because it's like our main job as a stay-at-home mom. But ask anyway. My baby is 18 months and she is helping me. Mainly because she thinks it's a game, but you know what? That's fine. I'm gonna use that for now. She is helping mommy with the basket after waking up from a nice long sleep. Make it fun. Kids are so good at this, and I'm trying to get better at it too. Reward yourself. You are doing some hard work. By the end of the housework, my watch is always telling me I did a workout. Why? Because you burn the calories, girl. It's like a workout. So treat yourself. You earned it. Get tools that can help make things easier. If you have watched any of my other videos, you know I have a multi-purpose bin I use to help me carry all those little knickknacks throughout the house whenever I'm decluttering. Now, y'all can see my multi-purpose table. I use this thing for crafts, my laundry folding, and I'm about to use it to declutter the girls' toys in an upcoming video. I'm thinking about trying this thing called a toy rotation because the amount of toys these girls take out and leave around my house, it is ridiculous. But my oldest still has the nerve to say she bored. I also bought these folding boards from Amazon. I have a little kids one that's small because I want my daughter to get more involved with laundry. And then I have this adult one. And as y'all can see, it is very easy. My 18-month can use it. For me, I use a laundry sorter. This one has 4 different baskets that are removable. And throughout the week, I sort my large, dirty laundry bin into this sorter. Better yet, I can enlist some help from my oldest to sort the laundry. The little one, she just likes to throw them out of the basket onto the floor. But the older one can actually help with the sorting. So whenever one of these baskets gets full, I can just pick it up, bring it to the washer and to load it. It is awesome. So I just want to say another tip that goes along with that enlisting help. There's professional help, y'all. If it's in your budget, there are literally businesses out there that will actually clean and fold your laundry. For me, I had a dear friend of mine who's actually another professional organizer who came and organized my closet. Yes, I am an organizer myself. And yes, I got an organizer to come help me. And I'm not ashamed of it. She did an amazing job that could have took me a lot longer to do. It was her realm of expertise, the closet. And me as a mom who had a little one, I was already stressed out and overwhelmed, not with just the closet, with the house in general, because I got behind on everything. I don't know what it was about that last pregnancy, but your girl was tired and just throwing up all the time. And the house just, we were surviving, okay? We were just surviving. So I needed someone to come in and help me make that change. And she came through, y'all. She came through. She fixed it up for me while I took a nap with my baby. And I do not regret it. So if you are in the Tampa area, I will have her details in the description box below. Now, if you're not in the local area, just look up your local professional organizers. They can actually come not just help you organize different parts of your home. Some of them actually do fold and put it away for you. So if that's in your budget, girl, get that professional help. I remember telling my husband my idea of success, right? Because, everybody has their idea of when they made it. I literally told him, baby, if I can get somebody to come on, do the laundry, I just put it in dirty clothes hamper or whatever bags they give me, send it off, it comes back. Man, we are making it. I would also like an interior decorator too. Create a routine. That can be having a load of laundry a day or a laundry day. For me, I usually put a load in the washer and dryer when I wake up to get the kid all ready for school. And the cue I use to trigger this habit is right before I go downstairs, I walk to the laundry room. It's right there on my left. And if you don't know what I mean by cue, check out the book Atomic Habits by James Clear. It is a fantastic read if you want to start changing your life. It's personal growth and just being more disciplined, especially when you're wearing an entrepreneur hat. Because success is all about what you do daily. It's about those daily habits. Mamas, I hope you found this video helpful, and if so, please like and share. I want to help as many moms as I can by sharing my experience as a professional organizer and a mom. After we put away the final load, it is finally done. Look at that. What the what? So disrespectful.